Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Creative English 786. In the previous video I discussed 6 types of voice change. Today I shall discuss number 7 question mark type of voice change. So let's start. Number 7 question mark sentence type voice. For example, why did you kill the goat? Question mark. It is very easy to identify because it has question mark at last. And there are two types of question mark sentence: question mark with WH word and question mark without WH word. The passive rule for this type of sentences will be WH plus be verb plus subject plus main verb plus others and at last question mark. The passive rule for WH sentence will be WH plus be verb plus subject plus main verb plus others, and for sentence without WH word start from be verb plus subject plus main verb plus others and question mark. Here I give you some WH words so that you can easily identify the question mark of WH word: why, where, what, when, which, who, whom, whose, how, etc. are WH words. Now look at this sentence. Why did you kill the goat? It is a question with WH word why. Now I have to find the verb part, did kill, that means simple past tense type. Now following this rule I write the WH word why, and now I have to write be verb. I write was because my question was simple past tense type. Now I write the goat, it is my subject now. Now I have to write the main verb. Now I write killed, the past participle form of kill verb. By you, the object becomes subject and the subject becomes object, and question mark at last. Can you do this work? This is a question without WH because the word can is not any WH word. So you have to start from here: be verb plus subject plus main verb plus others and question mark at last. The sentence is model can plus do V1 type sentence. So I write can as be verb here. Now I have to write the subject. This work will be my subject. Now I have to write the main verb, and this sentence is model plus V1 type. So as a main verb I have to write be plus verb 3. So I write be done, verb 3 of do. By you, the object, this work becomes subject, you, the subject becomes object. Look at this sentence. Who broke this dish of butter? When you have who as WH, use by whom. So I write by whom as WH. Now I have to write be verb. Now I write was because I have simple past type question, and this is clear from the word broke, verb 2. Now I have to write subject. This dish of butter is my subject now. Now main verb broken, verb 3 of this verb broke. I have already used by, so I have nothing to write here. Another example: does he play football? An example of without WH question. The verb part does and play show that the sentence is simple present type. So in verb part we shall use am, is or are and verb 3, and the sentence is without WH type. So we have to follow from here be verb, and here I write is because football will be my subject now. I have completed subject part. Now I have to complete main verb part. Main verb played. Verb 3 of play main verb. By him. The object becomes subject and the subject becomes object. Why are you breaking the law? A question with WH word why, and it has be verb are and main verb break plus ing breaking. So it is continuous tense type, and when we do passive voice we have to write be verb plus being plus V3 in verb part. Now I write the WH word. It has why WH, so I write why. Now I have to write be verb. I write is as be verb because my subject will be the law. Subject the law, third person singular. Now main verb being broken. For this continuous type of sentence I add being and then broken. Verb 3 of break verb broken. By you. The law becomes subject, you becomes object. Has she returned it? A question without WH because the word has is not a WH word. From the verb point, the sentence is have has had plus V3 type, and to make it passive we have to use have has plus been plus V3 in verb part. The question is without WH, so I start from here be verb plus subject plus main verb plus others, and here I write has as be verb because the object it will be my subject. Now I write been returned in main verb part by her. Follow my next video for difficult types of voice change.